How to take care of a leopard gecko? The leopard gecko Eubophoris macularis is a species of lizard, native to the deserts of Afghanistan, Pakistan, and India. They are often kept as pets and are popular for their docile nature, small size, and ease of care. The gecko and the leopard are two different species of reptiles. The term gecko is a common name that refers to a group of lizards that belong to the family Geckondidae. There are many species of geckos, and they can be found in a wide range of habitats around the world, from rainforests to deserts. Leopard geckos are not typically referred to as gecko leopard, as this is not their proper scientific name or a commonly used term. It's important to use the correct names for different species to avoid confusion and ensure accurate communication. How to take care of a leopard gecko? Leopard geckos are relatively easy to care for and make great pets for beginners. Here are some general guidelines for taking care of a leopard gecko. Number 1. Housing. Leopard geckos need a suitable enclosure to live in, which should be at least 20 gallons in size. The enclosure should have a secure lid to prevent escape and should be lined with a substrate that is safe and comfortable for the gecko to walk on, such as paper towels, reptile carpet, or coconut coir. Provide a hiding place for your gecko, such as a cave or a hollow log. Number 2. Lighting and heating. Leopard geckos require a warm basking spot, which can be achieved using a heat lamp or a ceramic heater. The basking spot should be around 90 to 95 F, and the rest of the enclosure should be kept around 75 to 85 F during the day, and around 70 to 75 F at night. Leopard geckos also need access to UVB lighting, which can be provided using a fluorescent bulb or a compact bulb. Number 3. Feeding. Leopard geckos are insectivores and need a diet of live insects, such as crickets, mealworms, or dubia roaches. Feed your gecko the appropriate sized prey, depending on their age and size, and dust the prey with a calcium supplement before feeding. Number 4. Water. Provide a shallow dish of water for your gecko to drink from and soak in. Change the water daily and clean the dish regularly. Number 5. Handling. Leopard geckos can be handled gently but should be allowed to settle into their new environment for a few days before being handled. Always support your gecko's body when handling to prevent injury. Number 6. Health. Keep an eye on your gecko's overall health and behavior. Look out for signs of illness, such as lack of appetite, lethargy, or abnormal behavior, and seek veterinary care if necessary. By following these guidelines, you can provide a safe and comfortable environment for your leopard gecko and ensure their overall health and well-being.